trees and they turn into a massive debris flow. So in Montecito, when we observed this hydrophobic layer, we knew that the soil was sitting on a steep hill surface and really was a ticking time bomb. Potential for debris flows. And we made decisions on evacuation.